Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to change between your different databases depending on where you are, i.e. at home or at a different location. First off, in the software itself we want to log ourselves in. As you can see, I'm already connected to the Pet Store Local 1 connection. Effectively, that basically means I'm currently in that store right now using its own local connection to that database. Now, for example, if I wanted to see how my other store is doing, check the statistics, change any of the stock levels or anything like that, all I need to literally have to do is click on this little icon right here. You're then presented with a list. I have a few demo databases here, but this is the one I'm interested in. Pet Store Location 2 External. So external basically means I'm connecting to it from outside of its own network. So at home, I could be sitting at home and I want to see my store's data from a completely different location. So if I select on here like so, there you go. As you can see, it changes here and changes down here as well. So now I'm effectively connected directly to that database in that location. So just to recap, so effectively a local connection is basically meaning you're in the actual store itself where the database is housed using its own local network. But if you're outside of that location, i.e. at home, you need to use the external connection. And this is literally the methodology to swap between the two of them. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope this has been useful. I'll catch you next time. Thank you.